What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my new casetify case. It arrived a few days ago but I was away, so it's nighttime, which is why the lighting is a bit trash, but I want to open it now. So this is a case that I'm currently using. It's one from Amazon and I just got a ring on it. I just updated my phone icons. They're super cute. I will do an update what's on my phone and I'll film it like this so you guys can actually see the phone. But yeah, I'll do that soon. So I'm gonna take this case off. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro and I won't be getting the 14, so I thought why not get a new case instead. So I got oh, this is like someone try to open my package. I got one from the Dragon Ball collection collab. I'll show you guys. Well, you would have seen it in the thumbnail already, but sorry, I'm standing really awkwardly. Ready? Oh my gosh, it looks so nice. It's got my name on it, bitch. Yes. Oh my god, I'm so happy. It's so funny. I was looking at the Dragon Ball cases and I saw the one that was like holographic. No, I don't know what it's called. But you go like this and it changes. And I thought that one was really cool, but then I saw this one. But I didn't realize you can get it in black. I only saw it in orange. But then I checked again and I could get it in black. So that's the one I went for. I will leave a link to it below. It can just say Goku, but I got the one to be customized. And it's a really cool material. I'm sure you can see. That's the side. I like that it doesn't poke out too much. I guess because the case itself is quite raised. But I like that you don't just have some hench sticking out situation. It's bare struggling to pick this up, but it basically just says this case is made from 65% recycled material. And that's what it is. The buttons are really easy to press, which I like. And yeah, it feels really nice. Hopefully it doesn't feel like it's going to slip out my hand because I've been using rings lately and like pop sockets. But I'm really happy with that. I think it's so nice. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really happy with it. But yeah, that is it. And as I said, I'm going to do an update what's my phone very soon. So be sure to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.